by 2030 and has proposed tax reforms to make electric vehicles more affordable. Now, this was announced during the Africa EV Mobility Expo in the capital, which has brought together more than 100 global and regional industry players in Nairobi to advance the continent's electric mobility agenda. Well, experts urged local EV assemblies to cut costs and create jobs with a strong renewable energy capacity and manufacturing growth, while Kenya is positioning itself as a regional leader in electric mobility. Absa Bank was also featured.